Hey there, hip chicks. I wanted to pop over here and take a moment to introduce myself or reintroduce myself. My mentor suggested that we've had so many new subscribers in the last year that I should say hi. So here I am. My name is Beth. I started Hip Chicks 12 years ago with the intention of helping women homeowners become smart, capable, and confident homeowners and beyond. Now, let it be known that this is not just for women. Everyone is welcome to come to Hip Chicks and learn, because if you didn't have someone teach you how to make home repairs or do that kind of problem solving, then you just don't know what you don't know. So the short story of my life is that I'm actually a registered nurse. I have a bachelor's degree in nursing. I worked in geriatrics for 7 years. I was director of nursing at a retirement facility and ran the Well Clinic for 500 retirees. I left that job when I had my first child. I have 3 adult sons who are 20 to 25 years old. I am 52 myself. I am married for almost 30 years to a wonderful guy, and I've owned my home for 26 years. In the course of that time I stayed home with my kids, I found this passion for all things home, and I ripped my house apart. And I taught myself electric, plumbing, drywall, carpentry. You name a project, I have done it in this house. Over the years, I hung out with some contractor buddies. I learned from them. I asked 1,000 questions in the aisles of Home Depot, and I read lots of books and watched lots of videos. So over the years, I have earned a certificate of interior design. I am a certified home stager. I am also a licensed contractor, and I think I'm the only woman in the state of Pennsylvania who is a licensed contractor and a registered nurse. So I have a diverse set of skills, and it's all about problem solving. I want to save people money, stress, and time taking care of your house. Because here's the deal. When I was growing up, we didn't have a lot of money. And my parents DIY'd out of necessity. I learned at a young age how to wallpaper, how to do electric, plumbing. I remember being on a scaffolding setup in the hallway of our staircase at 10 years old hanging wallpaper. This was just part of life, and we had to figure things out because we didn't have the money to hire people. Now, over the years, we didn't have money either when I gave up my job. I stayed home and I lost a whole income, but I wanted my house to be a certain way, and that's what I want for other women. I want you to have a home that is beautiful, that is safe, that is functional, because we all deserve that. And again, I say women, but everybody is welcome here because we all need to learn. Your home is the biggest investment of your life. And if you don't know how to take care of it, you're losing money, you're losing value, and you're losing safety and your well-being. So thank you for being part of my journey. It has been a crazy 12 years. I have been on TV over 150 times, including the Rachel Ray Show. I did 3 years on QVC doing demos for a paint sprayer. 2 years I did it from my garage during COVID, and I had to do my own production. This YouTube channel has over 4 million views. I do public speaking in the Philadelphia area. I teach live classes. I have pre-recorded classes and online mentoring for homeowners. I've also written a book called Flush the Fear. It's a DIY guide to eliminating fear, anxiety, and negative crap from our lives, because we have to let go so we can stand on our own and be who we are meant to be. I'm also the survivor of a narcissistic parent relationship and have a lot to share about that too from a personal perspective. So thank you for being here. I hope you subscribe. I hope you pop over to Instagram and follow me at DIYHIPChicks. And please go to my website and sign up for the newsletter, because that's when you hear more about classes and other live events and recorded events that I have going on. And that website is DIYHIPChicks. So thanks again for being part of my world, and have a great day.